Hey everybody, I'm just showing a little bit of my engine turning here. Let me show what's going on with my 15th anniversary build. Here's the firewall. What you saw before it was a cubby that has a stereo that's going to go into it. Right now I'm doing the back side of the cubby. And this is going to have racing stripes. So what I thought would be pretty cool if we'll see if this thing is coming together the way it should here. So let me pull these stripes here. So if you can see there's this whole side is engine turned, and then this is the beginning. This is my pinstripe that I'm unveiling right now. This is the inner pinstripe. The inner stripe is actually polished, so what I'm unveiling is part of the polished stripe. So from the center, there will be a center piece here. This will be the stripe here, and then the pinstripe. Came out pretty good. Let's wipe that down and see what it looks like. Pretty. And that's how we make pinstripes. Engine turn pinstripes.